Okay, so today I am working on some snap clip covers and some little bow clips. So I'm going to start with uploading my file. And I'm just going to use the SVG files here. So in my documents, my SVG folder. And I'm going to start with the snap clip covers. Continue, upload. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup everything. All these ones where they have the slit, I'm just going to attach these because I want to make sure that this cut line stays with the piece it's supposed to be cutting. If you don't attach it, it will end up somewhere else on your cutting mat and you won't have the cut you need. And you'll have a cut in a funny place that you don't need it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just do that because that is so annoying when it's in the wrong spot. And I know there's a couple more in here, so I'm going to change everything to red. There, now I can see the cut lines there. So I'm going to attach these as well. Attach. Now I have two of everything. So for these ones where I have more than one heart, I'm going to set the color of some of them to pink, just so that it has a little bit of contrast. That's red, that's pink. Okay, perfect. So the big ones are pink there, and we're gonna do the big ones and the small ones pink on these ones. The lips will keep red. And the bows, I think we will do the bows. We'll do the bows red. We'll do the background pink. And we'll do these hearts pink. But the actual bow and the wrap will remain red. Okay, so we have our two colors set up here. That's attached, that's attached. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to send this to make. No, I don't need to save the project. I'm going to make this on the mat. Now I am using felt, and my felt measures, what does it measure? Oh, I need centimeters. Okay, so it is 12 inches by 9 inches, but I really need that in centimeters. So 12 inches is roughly 30 centimeters by 23 centimeters. So 30 by 23. Here I could adjust it, but because my cut area is okay, I'm just going to make sure I have it positioned the right way for both pieces. So I'm not going to actually change it. But if those designs came down past where my piece is going to sit, I would have to change it to get the file repositioned. So I've gone ahead, I've connected to my device. Now I am using felt from Michaels. I have to browse this material and find the felt. Search. All right, we have felt right here. We're going to bookmark it. We're going to select it. Done. And I'm not using the fine point blade. I'm going to use the rotary blade because I just find it cuts a lot better. Felt is a funny one. Sometimes if I bought some stiff felt off Amazon that did not cut well at all for me, no matter what I tried.